Well, usually once a day, maybe even 2.5 times a day, someone will get a hold of me on Facebook or usually through YouTube. They just they just want to know, okay, live good, it sounds good. I'm almost there. But at the end of the day, what kind of money can I make? Like right now. And I know they're not looking for $1 million yachts and Lambos on the beach with a laptop on their crotch while seagulls are shitting on their head. But I, I, let's just look at it this way. If you got $9.95 a month, that's the membership to buy wholesale products. Okay. So if you're asking me about Live Good, you probably already know about the products. Okay. So we'll just kind of brush over that. But okay, $9.95 a month. That's all it's going to cost you. There's no contracts. You don't have to buy any products to be an affiliate and make money. Okay. If you want to be an affiliate, it's $40, two $20 bills. That's it. Okay. Now, as far as money, this is what I like. I just invested, let's say, $49.95 to become an affiliate and and buy some products. $49.95. If let's just talk like you're just sitting here on my couch and we're just kind of going over the process. If you do join right now, you got your credit card out and you're like, you know what? I just want to spend $9.95 for a 1 month membership just to kind of look into the Live Good thing, maybe buy some products. And the $40, I got 40. Okay, so out of the $49.95, half of that 40 goes to me and the other half goes to the company. And then out of the $9.95, 5 comes to me. It sells my way, and then the other $4.95 goes to Live Good. Okay, so they're kind of 50-50. It's nice to know that the company just says, hey, you know what? You're doing your work, Corey. You're making video, posting, doing whatever you can to be a badass Live Good dude. So we'll just split it 50-50. So out of that $49.95, I get $25 of it, and then Live Good gets 5 cents less. Good. They could have had me get the 5 cents less and only give me $4.95, but for some reason the company steps up and they said, you know what, out of $9.95 we'll give you 5. So anyway, thank you for the extra 5 cents. So 5 plus 20, that's $25. That's awesome. I've said this a million times in my video. $25 is kind of like a nice lunch, maybe a nice little dinner somewhere, not at the most fanciest restaurant, but you can usually get a pretty good meal for about $15, maybe a couple bucks for a badass drink and a dessert and hopefully a nice tip. But if I make $25 right now and you come aboard with $9.95 for the month membership and $40 for the affiliate, that's awesome. And if I get another person, just by talking about the experience, they watch a video, make a decision and join, I've already got my money back just with 2 people at $9.95 a month. And usually the $40 investment one-time fee, most people are like, okay, that's no big deal. It's just gone. It's just, how do I activate to be an affiliate? The $40, just spend it. But if I make 20 of that, that's badass. That's so cool because I tend to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. So that's how I equate it. And if we can help you get 2 people, that's awesome because you're considered bronze at this point. You have 2 pay streams that I can show you real quick. But I'm more worried about my downline than me signing up a ton of people. I obviously want both. But if you are kind enough to sign up, I want you to hurry and get 2 people. Because if I can get my whole downline 2 people, it really adds up. It really gets exciting. Okay. And I'll even hold this little matrix thing up with some figures and you'll go, well, my gosh, if you do have, recruit people at $9.95 a month and maybe buy some products, there's a lot of little bonuses that add up. Fast track money, just think $25. And I know it doesn't sound like life-changing money, but they sure do add up. And most people that try out MLMs, they don't even make $100 ever, let alone 1,000. I know some people that have spent thousands, 5,000, 10,000 trying to do high-ticket MLM type companies, timeshares. Oh my God, mystery advice that, oh my God, it's so powerful, but it costs $1,000 for you to have access to it. You get it, and you realize most of it you could have just searched on YouTube and Google and got it for free. So I'm going to shrink my face. And if you do want to put your name and your email, you're not joining nothing. It's just for a free tour. Just go to pleasewatchvideo.com. And I want you to look at this page that I'm looking at. Okay, so just put your name, email address, that's it. Click send, and you can have full access to a website identical to what I'm looking at. Some of these boxes here, or whatever tabs, they're not active because you haven't joined yet. So I have access to the whole company because I am an affiliate. But go over the affiliate plan. See on the very bottom left of my screen, just scroll, scroll, scroll. And let's see, my computer's going a little slow. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. I forgot where it's at. Okay, see where it says pay plan? Just go ahead and click pay plan. And when you do, then it starts at the top of the page. And see where it says affiliate, comp plan, constipation plan. That fast track bonus I just told you about, if you read this, it kind of goes over what I just told you about, where you make 25 bucks. This matrix thing, this is awesome. I don't even know why people focus on this, but it's nice to know that if you don't do anything in this company, then just get a membership, enjoy the products. But yes, you do have a little bit of spillover pay. So each month, see that 2.5? That let's see, 2.5% of $9.95 is a quarter. Okay, so all these quarters, see if you're unranked, you don't do nothing, or maybe you accidentally get one person to sign up. Look at all these quarters. It pays down 12 levels deep. So you got a whole bunch of quarters trickling in. And these add up over time. Wait for a year or two and you're going to be very happy. Now see if you have 2 people underneath you, you're bronze. That's all you need. 2 people paying $9.95 a month. And see, now instead of 1 quarter, you got 2. So obviously, quarter and a quarter is 50 cents. So see, you got a left and a right. It's like 2 legs and now you're running. Right, there it is, right there at the bottom. If you just give it time, give it a year or two, all you got to do is just keep active and LiveGood. You can't cancel and then come back because you lose all of your momentum and all your downline. But if you just hang out with us for a year, give it another year, this spillover, these little quarters, they start adding up. Because once you get down to level 12 and 13 right here, it's going to equate to about $2,000 to $4,000 per month. And that's if you really don't do nothing except maybe get one person out accidentally. But if you do get one other person, look at that. Why make $2,000 a month when you can make $4,000 a month? And that's how many quarters really do add up. It is a slow process, but it's kind of cool. It's just an added bonus. It's like getting 3 cherries on a Sunday instead of 1. Now, why am I excited to help you get to bronze? And just hang in there for a couple years. This matching bonus, see where it says 50 cents of whoever is enrolled personally? That's you. If you get $2 to $4 grand coming in, and it's not that you're lazy, but it's just like, hey, you know what? I don't really care. I love the products. And if I can be an affiliate for 40 bucks and hang out and let Corey work and let his upline work and trickle some quarters and 50-cent pieces in my cup, why not? See this 2 grand? See this 4 grand? Guess who gets half of that per month? Me. And you. If you got the same opportunity as me. The matching bonus, see that right there? Personally enrolled. It says 50% of whatever their matching, what their bonus is. And that's it. Bam. Half. I'm making $1,000. And it's not out of your pocket. I know it sounds like, oh, well, great. Here I am busting ass making $2 grand a month doing nothing. And now Corey makes $1,000 doing something. Don't worry. That $2 to $4 grand a month, it's yours in your pocket. But the company, since I'm hustling, kind of helping you out, they're going to give me half of that $2,047.50. They're going to give me half of that $4 grand, 95 bucks with 50 pennies. That's cool. I love it. There's other bonuses as well. For this video, I just wanted to make a quick one telling you about, just the quick $25 that you can make, and then help other people get to, and so on, because you're going to get commissions on some of the product sales, and this all adds up. And you can, look at these on your own. But it's nice to know you'll have people that will sign up that just want to retail our products, because LiveGood is a wholesale health and wellness, which means CBD oil. Give you some clarity, make anxiety hopefully diminish. Maybe you got some aches and pains. CBD oil's been out a long time now. It's a proven fact that it does help a lot of people. Ours is so cheap. I am now Mr. CBD oil in Salt Lake City. And I don't want to, but when my friends found out how cheap ours was, and better, I guess I'm Corey the CBD oil guy. And that's cool. I love my friends. I don't advertise. I don't whatever. I even the other day I gave my buddy a free. Oh no, he did. He gave me $20, and I need to sneak that back. I wanted to just treat him to a bottle, and He actually gave me a $20 bill, and now I got to sneak it back in his pocket somehow on the weekend. Um, all right. Well, anyway, look at LiveGood. I love it. I'm on my second month, going on number 3, having a good time. And I think you will too. I find this a very, not that it's easy, but I think it's fun, which kind of equates to easy. And all you got to do is just talk about the opportunity, have people watch a video, and let the company do everything else. There's no meetings, there's no products to buy. It's just sharing information when you can. And when you start making money, believe me, you'll go out of your way to start posting all over the place. Just get good at one thing. That's it. I use some AI software now that's working real well. And I love to do YouTube videos and post on Facebook and some other places. But other than that, that's the pay plan. All right. You can make yourself a nice pile of $25 bills or some free lunches and dinners in the beginning. And then it really starts kicking in when you get the business going and you understand how to start helping your downline and so on and so on. So, all right, that's enough. And we'll see you guys hopefully next video. They always pop up on the left and right side of my big face here. So you guys have a good day and we'll talk to you later.